Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you a magic based on the balloon and a needle. So you can see clearly this is a needle and this is a balloon. Now can you guess what I'm going to do? You know what? This is a balloon and this is a needle. What happens if we put this inside the balloon? If we put the needle inside the balloon, do you guess? Everyone will basically say it will pop up or it will break out. But I'm going to show you something different than that. Okay? So do you want, if you have this balloon and needles, you can try yourself at home too. Okay? Now I'm going to put this needle inside the balloon. Just check it out. It takes time and kind of pain in my hand too. Looks like it will take time. Yes, you can see now clearly the balloon is the needle is inside the balloon. I can show you clearly. See here. See, it's totally inside, a little bit outside. Now this is the thing that I was going to show you. Now tell me, what will happen if I take this pin outside or needles outside? Here also you may guess, you may think it will pop out again or break. But let's see what happens, okay? I'm not going to reveal the answer. Let's see what happens when I take this needle out. See? Nothing. So now think, what is the reason behind it? Why the balloon does not pop out when I put the needle inside? Please write the answer in your comment. If not, I will give the reason or I'll give the answer next time. Okay? Thank you for watching. I'll bring similar experiment next time. Here you go.